Here are 5 DIY hacks that will instantly transform your space on a dime. The first one I want to go over are peel and stick tiles and peel and stick wallpaper. Now these are great options because peel and stick is a really low cost solution and it doesn't damage the walls behind it. So what you do is you can actually go on Amazon or even big box stores. You could pick up some local tiles. They come in a lot of different patterns, variations, and they usually come in an 8x8, 12x12, pretty standardized tile sizes. Or on your wallpapers, now wallpaper you'll have to check because sometimes you can get them a bit wide, maybe around 12 inches. They go as wide as like 4 feet I've seen in some instances. Now what I love about these solutions is once you put them up, you can actually keep taking them off and putting them back on until you get the pattern just right. It's great because one, it takes a really boring looking space and it elevates the style of it because it's using the pattern itself and it's using the wallpaper to help add some pizzazz to the space that you may not have. Now, another hack that you could use are also some fabric curtains. Now, what I love about fabric curtains, especially in accordion style, you literally take the fabric curtain that you purchased. They come in various lengths. You literally put them up to your window. You don't even have to measure, which is the best part. So if you have someone that, or if you are someone without a tape measure, or if you just hate measuring in general, you can literally put it up to your window, mark it with your finger, cut it down the line, and stick it to your windows. Once you drop them down, it even comes with a couple clips that you can clip to the bottom of your window so you can give you some nice privacy. And again, a great low-cost solution, and it looks really great too. Another thing you also have, you have battery-operated lights and light fixtures. Now, if you're someone like me who loves wall sconces, you can use wall sconces that are battery-operated or even charged through USB. So you literally mount them behind you, mount it to the wall, you plug them in, or you use the battery function, you take out the battery and you charge it. Now, these are great because let's say you're sleeping at night and you don't want to wake the person next to you. Well, if you've got a little wall sconce that's right next to you and it's battery operated, it's a plug-in, it's a great localized light where you don't have to get the brightness being really high so that it doesn't wake them in case you have a really sensitive sleeper that's next to you. Or maybe just in general, you just like having the ambiance of having some additional lighting and you want to increase your shot. Very much like how we are in this space behind us, right? That additional lighting, that ambience will just help elevate the space and make it look that much more aesthetically pleasing. Now, another one you have are command hooks. Command hooks are what you actually would use to hang pictures or to hang art on your wall if you want to elevate the space in terms of the look. So here you had wallpaper in our previous example. Well, now you have art itself. So if you want to get some art and you want to use the command strips, you put them up on your wall, and what's great about them, you can literally pull a tab on the bottom, release them. There are a couple of variations of it, but the command hooks specifically that I'm thinking of are the ones that you literally pull that tab and then they come off your walls without messing up your walls. We already know a lot of times when you guys are renting places, you don't want to put holes in your walls because you're like, what am I going to do? I don't want to have to cover it. I don't want to have to put spackle or caulking. Well, you could avoid all of that with the command hooks because they will take care of all that for you and have a really easy way to take your art down without ruining your walls. Last one I want to go over are headboards. Now, a lot of times we get places and they just look like a college dorm, right? We get it, we put the bed in the space, and that's it. Well, we can transform that right away by buying a headboard. Something that I do, I go on OfferUp, I go on Facebook Marketplace, and I look specifically for headboards. Now, you can get headboards of all sizes. You can get king sizes, twins, fulls, queens, and you can also get them at an amazing price. The last headboard I paid $15 for. I went to Home Depot, I got a can of spray paint, I spray painted it black, instantly transformed the bedroom because it was really, really drab and it legitimately looked like a college dorm. As soon as I put a black headboard behind it and I added some pillows, instantly transform the space. Again, really low cost solutions, but I'm telling you, these hacks are great ways in which you can increase the value or the perceived value of your space and add a little bit of design where you may not currently have any. If you guys are looking for more content just like this and some more DIY hacks, comment the word hack down below and be sure to subscribe to the channel and follow for more content just like this.